The history of the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange. The story of the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange, or ZSE, stretches back more than a century. It is one of Africa's oldest capital market institutions, evolving through colonial eras, independence, and economic upheaval to become a cornerstone of Zimbabwe's financial landscape. In the late 19th century, with the expansion of British colonial settlement into what was then called Rhodesia, the first stirrings of formal financial markets began to take shape. Early stockbrokers facilitated investment in mining ventures and colonial businesses. In 1894, the Salisbury Stock Exchange was opened, soon followed by the Bulawayo Stock Exchange and smaller exchanges in Gwelo and Umtali. These early markets, however, were short-lived as economic realities, and mining disappointments led them to close by the early 20th century. After the Second World War, stock trading returned. In January 1946, a new exchange opened in Bulawayo, followed by a second trading floor in Salisbury, present-day Harare, in December 1951. Brokers in both centers communicated by telephone. As the need for structured regulation grew, the Rhodesia Stock Exchange Act was enacted in 1974, formalizing trading operations under law. This would later be amended and reformed as Zimbabwe's political and economic landscape shifted. Following Zimbabwe's independence in 1980, the exchange was renamed the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange, the ZSE. The institution became the hub for capital raising by companies and a venue where ordinary Zimbabweans and international investors could buy and sell equity. The ZSE weathered dramatic economic challenges in the 1990s and 2000s. During periods of hyperinflation in Zimbabwe, local currency volatility posed major challenges. By February 2009, the Zimbabwean dollar had become untenable for trading, and the U.S. dollar was adopted as the primary trading currency to stabilize the market. But even under tumultuous conditions, the exchange continued to function, offering listings and serving as a benchmark for financial resilience. Into the 21st century, the ZSE continued evolving. In 2015, the exchange introduced an automated trading system, ATS, replacing manual trading and modernizing operations. To broaden access to real-time information, platforms like view-only terminals were launched in 2017, allowing public viewing of live trades while brokers maintained direct trading access. The ZSE also embraced new investment instruments. In 2021, Zimbabwe's first exchange-traded fund, ETF, was listed. Over time, more ETFs expanded investor choice and helped attract regional capital. In a historic milestone in 2025, the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange went a step further, self-listing its own holding company on its main board. Under the ticker ZSEH.ZW, this move, executed by way of introduction, marked a new chapter in governance, transparency, and visibility for Zimbabwe's capital markets. This achievement positioned the ZSE alongside leading African markets that have embraced exchange self-listing and signaled confidence in Zimbabwe's financial reforms. From its humble colonial beginnings to its modern identity as an automated, evolving financial market, the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange has played a central role in shaping the country's economic story. Today, the ZSE continues to offer a platform for companies to raise capital and for investors to participate in Zimbabwe's economic growth. The Zimbabwe Stock Exchange stands as a testament to resilience, adaptation, and innovation, charting a journey through history that reflects the broader economic and social shifts of Zimbabwe itself.